Hey guys, check out what I made. I made a candle amp. There's this candle inside there, and it's getting the light reflected all kinds of crazy ways because of the shiny CDs I've got going on. All right, let's hit the lights. When you make your candle amp, it's going to be very important that when you want to undo them, you got to blow inside and then touch the top. Okay, seems cool enough. All right, so what this project is there's going to be 6 CDs in your craft kit. You're going to take one of them and make it the base, and then you're going to glue them with hot glue like so, and then that's going to stick up, and then you're going to glue the next one with hot glue, and you're going to glue the connector. There you can see I just dribbled hot glue down the corner until they stuck together. You're going to want to hold them in place one at a time, and then you do that until you have all 4 sides of your candle amp. There's going to be a candle inside of your craft kit. You're going to put your candle in the middle like so. Then you're going to light your candle. Then you're going to turn the lights out, and you're going to have a really cool candle lamp. All right, well, this is going to... So this format didn't really work for demonstrating it, but I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I think you're going to have a lot of fun. And when this candle burns down, you just stick a different candle in there. This whole thing is very adaptable to whatever you want to do. All right, I've been Jacob. Thank you very much for participating in the summer reading program. I hope you guys have an excellent week. Bye-bye.